In front of me, I have a very large, I guess you could even say huge, Sheen nail art nail supply haul. And I know you guys like seeing these hauls, so I'm excited to share everything I purchased. So if you're interested in seeing all of the items, then just keep watching. So I wanted to get some of my bulkier items out of the way first, and I needed to restock. And I love these buffing blocks from Shein, and I bought 100. There's 10 in each package, so I got 100 all together. And these are 180 grit, and they're washable, disinfectable. If you want, I throw them away after each client, but I needed some more, so they're really nice. So I also had to restock my files, and there is 50 in each package. So there's 100 altogether. And these are, again, 100 and 180 professional, washable, disinfectable. And they're the nicer, thicker ones. These are really good. So I had to restock. So I have a brush here, and this one doesn't say on it, but I'm going to open it and show you. Comes in a nice tube, and it has a lid, which is always nice, and it says nail brush. Oh yes, I got this for doing petals on the nail. Small enough, that's what I liked about it. And you can see from the site exactly the type of flowers it does, but I didn't have one like this. And these are good quality ones. I've had the same brand before. Another brush. Again, packaged nicely. And I've shared this one, I think, in the past, number 14. I'm going to grab my one that I do have. Okay, so this one didn't say anything, and they are slightly different, but the same brush head on them. You can see that. And this is what I use for a cleanup brush. So if you want to go around the cuticles, or I use them for French too. It's a nice brush to do the smile line cleanup. So I wanted to get another one. My other one's getting a little more, I'd say the brush is not, you can see here, it's just getting a little more worn, I guess. If anything, I've used it so much. So I wanted to have another one. I think we'll go through the brushes that I got first. So here's another one, again, packaged well in the tube. This one, there's nothing on it. It's just the wood, but this one is really nice for watercolor or for doing petals again. And I have the picture up on the screen, what you can do with this one, but a nice little pointy one. I like the smaller brushes for doing art on the nails and flowers in the spring and summer, which are very popular. So I got a few of these. I can't remember how many come in the actual listing, but I did get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of them. So these are the little dust brushes, and I'll put them on the end of my finger. And when I'm doing my clients' removal, I just use it to dust off their nails. And these can be cleaned and disinfected. So that's why I got them in green, blue, pink, and purple. I might have gotten, it might come in a set of 4, but I'll have the links below in the description of the video. So you go below and there's a more in bold. I don't know if you click that or if there's an arrow, but it drops down the rest of my description, and everything's in products in video. I'll have those links there for you. So yeah, those are really nice. So another brush, a dust brush, and I will open it and we'll look at it better. I haven't seen it fully yet. So of course they put the netting, but oh yeah, it's very soft. This one's gold. Didn't think I ordered gold, but It's all right. It's very soft for dusting off the nails when you're finished using your e-file. And my other one, I'll show you that I use all the time. It's getting a little rough looking, so thought I better get a new one. And I do like they come with the netting. It protects the brush itself when it's coming in the mail. Now I got a whole bunch of these. Can't remember how many are in the package, but again, it'll be down in the description, the link for it. But these, I love using these. I will grab one that I already have open. These ones are pink, which are nice, but I have a white one here. So it has a little bit of cotton on the end. So when I'm done doing my client's nails, removing the color and checking for lifting, and I've prepped and everything, this is great for going right along the cuticles and cleaning out the dust in there. Some people will use a wipe and get in there. Well, these work really well, I find, for doing that. And then it just makes me able to get the gels up closer, the colors, when I'm doing it. So I love them for that. So I ordered some more. So I also got, this is, open it. So this is like a fiber tape. So what you do, say a person has their natural nail cracked, you put some base down and then you put this on it where the crack is, and then you cover it with some more builder. And then this is going to help the nail grow and you fix that crack for your clients or yourself. I also got these. I thought these would come in so handy, and I'll show you what they are. And it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 5. So there's 10. There's 5 pink and 5 purple. And what these are used for. So I have a client that when I do her nails, her cuticle almost comes over the nail. It makes it hard to get color up there nice and close the way her cuticle is. So these are going to be perfect for, and they're going to be gentle on her skin. And what it does is it's going to pull the skin down so I can get nice and close to her cuticles without touching. So I thought I'd try these on her. And like I said, they're a little more gentle. You just push on here and then you get her skin. It's easier to do it when you're doing it on a client, but you get her skin where you want it. And then you pull it and it's going to open up that cuticle area better. So I thought they would be great to have. And 10 is perfect because you could put one on every nail, so you wouldn't have to keep moving them. So I got another palette and it also holds your brushes. I'll open it and show you better. So when I'm working, I can put my colors here or I can mix there. And then this is perfect because I'm so messy when I work, and this is just going to keep my brushes, and then I can have my colors there, and it's going to keep everything off my desk so I don't make a mess. So, and it's made of a nice, I don't know what you call acrylic, I guess, silicone, more acrylic, but I really like this one. And you can have 5 brushes in there and then mix your colors while you're working, and that's going to really be handy for me. I did get some stickers, and how cute are these? I love the little flowers, and then they're outlined in like a champagne chrome, I'd say more. Really pretty, right? And you could use these on the other nails for different designs. I like that they have the squiggly lines and there's some bows there as well. And yeah, just really a pretty set, and you could do a really nice summer or spring set with these. And there is more up there too. Actually, you know what? We'll open them up and look better. So there you go. Really pretty. So you put it in the middle. Just kind of fun, right? Next, I have some more silicone molds, and it did come with a pen or a silicone tool, I should say. I didn't realize it did, which is good. So you get 2 silicone molds. So this one looks like more flowers. Looks like I might have to pull some of the silicone out of them. But there's the flowers, and I do have a product coming from Amazon to use with these that works really good. So I'll do a reel using these and show you what I'll do with them. But there's the first one, and then we have another one here, some more different flowers. I will do a reel with that, and of course they have the tool for applying the product into the flowers, which is nice. I also purchased a chrome. This one looks so pretty. I'll have it up on the screen so you can see what type of chrome it is, but I thought it would be so nice. I don't have one quite like this. Really nice, but you can see that in the picture. And they're not real big, but I think there's quite a bit in there, which is good. And then the last thing I purchased were these containers and these foam. So I'm going to be using a product on my clients. I'll do a reel on that, what I'm going to be putting in here, but I'll need one of them, and it's nice to have extra. And then they just have some protective, actually I'll pull it off to show you. So there's the container, and watch for that reel. I'll have it on YouTube, I'll have it on my Facebook, I'll have it on Instagram, and the links for my other social medias are in the description too, because sometimes I don't always post the same things on YouTube as I do them. So if you want to follow me on those, they'll be below too. So yeah, there's the container, and of course there's 3 of them, which is really nice. So here's everything I received in the haul. I always like stocking up, and Shein has really good inexpensive files and buffers, and I love all of the other products I got. Some of them are new, I've never used before, and some are just restocks, but I'm loving everything. So if you enjoyed this video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see everybody in the next one.